Hello students of class 7, hope you're all doing well. So today we will again discuss some of the sums of ratio and proportion. We will discuss sum number 27. Okay. Now in sum number 27 it has been said that there are 135 students in a class. Okay, how many students? 135 students in a class, and the ratio of the boys and the girls in the class are given. What is the ratio of the boys and the girls? It's 4:5. So ratio of the number of boys and girls is how much? 4:5. But the real value, the real number of the boys and girls, we don't know, right? So the total number is 145. So we can write sum of the ratios is how much? It's 4 plus 5, which is 9. So we can write that number of boys is how much? It's 4 by 9 into 135. Out of the ratio, out of the 9, that is sum of the ratios, 4 is the ratio for boys. So 4 by 9 into 135. So this will cut down. This is 15. This means 60. Right? In same way we will find out the number of girls. Right? So therefore number of girls will be how much? What is the ratio for girls? 5, and 5 by 9 into 135, which is how much? 75. Now we have got the values of boys and the girls. Now later it has been said that 15 more boys are admitted, right? 15 more boys are admitted in that class. So it is given in the sum that later on 15 more boys were admitted, right? So now the number of boys, how much? Initially it was 60 and 15 more were added, so it will become how much? 75, right? So the girls is the number of girls is remaining the same, no girls has been added, right? So what will be the ratio now? So new ratio of boys and girls is how much? It's 75 is to 75. The number of girls were 75 only, so it will be 1:1. Okay, so I hope you have understood this sum. Okay, now we will be discussing sum number 19. Okay, so in sum number 19 it has been said divide 225 between A and B in the ratio A:7. So ratio of A is to B is how much? 8:7, and we have to divide 225 among A and B. So what we will do, we will take the sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratios of A and B, which is 8 plus 7, that is 15, right? So share, so we can write share of A will be how much? Will be what is the ratio for A? It's 8, and what is the total? It's 15, right? Into 225. Okay, so this will cut down and become 120. In the same way we will find out the share for B. So share of B is how much? What is the ratio for B? It's 7. 7 and the sum is 15. Sum of the ratio is 15. So 7 by 15 into 225. So we will cut this down, and 7 into 15 is how much? 105. So the share of A is 120, and the share of B is 105. So if you add 120 and 105, you will only get 225. That's mean our sum is correct. Okay, if it's coming something else, whatever is given there, then your sum is wrong. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, thank you.